What's up, everybody? Justin Brooks here. I just want to take a quick minute today to talk about life insurance. Not in the traditional sense, though. I hear a lot of talk and about term life insurance, and I was a very big proponent of term life insurance for a very long time, and until I got educated. And one of the things that I have learned in my now tenure as a financial strategist, and as I increase my financial intelligence, is not to count out anything until I understand it fully. One of the things that I counted out in the beginning was a whole life or permanent life insurance. So let me tell you the difference really briefly, and then let me kind of give you a synopsis and a history, and try to keep this short. So permanent life insurance is life insurance that typically runs until you're age 100 or die. That's what permanent life insurance is. They have permanent life insurance policies that run now till you're 110, 120, because people are living longer. And then you have term life insurance, which is as it sounds, term. So you have a 25, 30-year term level premium life insurance policy. And then you get into what's known as universal life insurance policies, which is a derivative of whole life insurance. Now I'm giving you the history, the kind of briefly the definition, and then I'm going to give you the history. So permanent life insurance was created originally, and a lot of the policies that were created in the 70s and 80s and even early 90s were policies that were meant to take advantage of the consumer, which is why a lot of people fought back, and that's why you have a lot of term life insurance proponents. Today, with all the consumer protections that are around, that is not the case anymore. Not only that, there's more information than ever about what kind of life insurance is best for you. So, why am I saying all of this? Here's why I'm saying all of this. I'm going to give you a really quick story, and then I'm going to go. There was a person who came to me and was talking about life insurance. And when they talked about it, they mentioned that they had a term policy. And they told me a little story, and here's how it went. Jane had got life insurance when she was 22 years old. It was a term policy. It ran for a 30-year term. At age 45, out of 25 years later, she ended up getting diagnosed with a disease that was non-terminal, but it was a disease all the same, and she no longer was insurable. At age 50, when she went back to the life insurance company, she was denied coverage and was denied her ability to renew. This is not always the case, but here's where I become a proponent of understanding why each piece of insurance is important. Why do we have these different kinds of investments, these different kinds of insurances? I don't consider life insurance as a true to life investment unless you have already maxed out every other kind of investment you can do. It is a great, however, it is a very good alternative to the stock market. I just don't consider life insurance as my number one alternative to the stock market. Now, let's use that same example of that 20-year-old Jane who would have purchased permanent life insurance at the age of 20, at the age of 45, still got diagnosed. As long as she maintained her premium payment, she would have been covered for the life of, for her existing life, for her whole lifetime, up until she either turned 100 or dies, whichever comes first, or whatever the policy states. Here's my point. As long as you understand what it is you're getting into, there is a reason behind a lot of things. Some things are created to sell, but in this case, there is a reason for term life insurance and there's a reason for permanent life insurance. On a separate video, I will try to go through and explain a couple of strategies that I heard that I thought were very intelligent, very smart to take advantage of. So again, I hope this video added value to you. I look forward to talking to you again. Thanks again for watching.